Hey creatives, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's good to have you all here. I'm Samuel also here, and in this particular tutorial video we are going to design a very beautiful and a professional church flyer. Yeah, as you can see on the screen, a very beautiful and professional church flyer. And what makes this particular design special and amazing is that many people think that I used Photoshop or any other computer software to get to design this particular flyer here, but it will surprise you that I used the Pixelab with my smartphone. So I'm going to take you through how to get this particular design. So take your time and follow me through this tutorial and you get to know the secrets and how I came out with this particular design. So please, if you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell. If you are old too, you are welcome once again. Do well, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. So let's start with our design. I'm going to open my Pixelab app, right? So I'll open my Pixelab app. Okay, let me tap on okay. So this is the particular design as you guys have seen already. So this is the design we are going to work on it. So let me tap on default and let's start afresh. Let's start everything afresh. So I will come to this background layer here. I'll come to this background tool here and tap on it like this and choose a background. I'm going to choose the background from my gallery. The background is in my gallery, so I'll come here. Here's the background I'm going to use. Right, here's the background I'm going to use. I'll tap on the check mark like this, but then this is not the size I want. This size is too big for me. It's too big. That's not the size I'm going to use. So I'll come to image size, and let's type custom a size. The size you are going to use is 1099 by 1280. So tap on OK. So we have a background like this. This is the background we are going to use. So right after this, we are going to work on the background a bit. I'm going to change the effect of the background. Yeah, I mostly do this whenever I'm working with a background so that it can suit the design and it can suit what I'm going to do. So I'll come here, this last two here, then I'll tap on it. I will change the hue. I'll increase the hue of the background. The hue should be somewhere 71. Okay, like this. And the saturation should be also somewhere minus 50. Okay, like this. And the contrast should be 18. I hope you have seen the changes here, right? I'm changing the effects and the colors of the background. The contrast should be 18. So I like and I want this kind of colors here. The color is cool for me. So now I will start uploading the images that you are going to use. We are using the church. We are doing church flyers, so we will need the guest images, the pastor, and yeah, those images, those kind of images. So I have them here. I'll be uploading them. Here is the first one, and let me crop it. Cut this part off. Yeah, I hope you are following. Yeah, cut this part off like this. After that, let's crop like this. So after that, tap on the check mark and increase the size. Position it somewhere here, right? And let's come to erase. Let's erase some of the parts. So let's increase this blur and the eraser. Increase it like this, somewhere like this, and then you erase it. Let's increase the blur. Okay, let's increase the. So you erase the part like this off. Okay. So we tap on the check mark like this. So we have it here like this, right? So we are going to increase the color filters. We are going to work on the color filters, increase the hue of it, the saturation, the brightness. Yeah, I normally work on the image before I use it. So let's work on it. Increase the hue to somewhere 22 and increase the saturation to 24. Okay, and the brightness to 25 so that it can be more brighter for me. So we have it like this, and the contrast to 32. Okay, so as you can see, we have changed the brightness and the hue, the saturation of the image, and it's looking more beautiful and brighter now. So we will tap on the check mark here like this, and then let's bring the other image. Let's bring the second image, the lady's image, right? This image here. So let's crop it like this, and let's reduce the size. Whenever you are using 2 or more images in your design, you have to make sure that the hairs of the image are equal. They are equal. You don't make one of the image bigger than the other. No, make them all equal, especially their hairs, I mean. So let's erase some parts out. Erase so erase it like this, just a short one. Tap on the check mark, right? So we bring it here, position it here, somewhere here. Okay, so now we are going to increase the color filters. We are going to work on the image, this second image too. So we increase the hue to just 9, the saturation to 4, the brightness to not increase the brightness, the contrast to 33, right? So something like this is okay. So I'll tap on the check mark. You can see that the image is now looking beautiful. It's looking more appealing and attractive, right? So we are going to blend the image with the background. So what we are going to do is, let's lock these images, position them well and lock them. Okay, so let's send this to back. Let's check from here. Okay, so we send them to back like this, and let's lock both of the image. Come to shapes, select circle, and let's come to opacity, reduce the opacity to 0. Come to stroke weight and increase the stroke weight. Come to blur radius and blur the radius. Now move it somewhere here, move the radius here, the image here, then tap on the check mark. We are going to use this to blend the image with the background, right? So you create something like this and make sure that it blends the image with the background. Let's select, come to color and color of the image of this thing that you are using. Let's choose this brown color, but then we can pick the color from the background. Let's pick the color from the background. Okay, let's choose this brown color for it. Okay, so let's copy it and then copy it so many times to blend the image. So having something like this is not bad. The image is blended. Let's lock these shapes. Then right after this, we are going to write the names of the guests, of the people, right? So any random name, Pastor Andy Pixelab, right? So we bring it here. Okay, so come to font. Let's change the font to Montserrat medium. It's okay, Montserrat medium. So position it here, copy, edit, write the lady's name, right, align the name, this one name here, right, position it here. All right, so let's bring a shape. come to color, change the shape color to yellow here. Okay, so let's rotate it. -90 degrees. Right, let's reduce the size. Let's reduce it. 2 is not bad. So position it here. Alright, so we have it here like this. Their names is now in. Let's import some image here. Let's import the church name. I have it here, the church name. Okay, let me crop it, make it small, look small. Alright, so I have the church name here. Let me reduce the size to somewhere here and position it in the middle, move them to the top, and then let's change the color to white, the color of the name, the church name, to white, just like this. Right, so after this, let's import another design here. So let's delete, erase color. Right, let's erase the color. Let's pick the color, tap here, let me come here, tap here to erase the color. Once you tap here, select the black color. Right, so we have it here like this. Let's send it to back, Okay, let's come to color filters and increase the hue of it to 37. It's not bad. Right, so we have it here. Let me come to front and increase the size a bit, to back again. Alright, so let's come to our gallery to come to import, and let's import this effect here, this light glowing effect here, so that we can use it in the background. Let's send it to back. So we have something here like this. Okay, let me lock this one. Where is it? Let me lock this one, so that it will not disturb me. So okay, let me bring this layer here. Let me bring this one to this. Right, so we'll have something like this. Okay, let me reduce the opacity a bit, opacity to 71. It's not bad. Now let me lock it. So we have it here like this. Now it has left us to bring the main text. That's the the main text, right? So I designed it with Pixelab, and it is a text effect, and when you are working on a text effect, it really takes time. So if I'll have to teach you guys here, it will really take all the time. So I have made it in such a way that I designed it, I downloaded it to my gallery, I gave it a PNG background so that I can use it here easily, right? So I will take my time to do a tutorial on that for you guys. So if you need that tutorial, just comment in the comment section, just comment test effects, so that I will know that you guys need that tutorial. It's a course on its own, it really takes time. So I will go straight to my import and then import that test effect. I'll give it to you guys in the description so that you can also use to in your practice, right? So let me crop it in your practice. Let me crop it like this, right? So I have the test effect here, right? Very beautiful. So I just bring it here, right? So as you can see, have it here. So let's give it a shadow. let's come to shadow and give it a shadow. A black or brown shadow will work. So let me give this brown shadow to it, position it here. So guys, that's it. Let's position in the center and let's lock it. After that, let's write the location and those stuffs. So the time, the date is Sunday. It's a random date, guys. It's a random date. Come to font. Okay, let me give it Montserrat bold. Okay, so I have it here. Position it in the middle here. Right, let's push this shape so that right. So now if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Right, let's come to import and let's import the design itself so that we can see how it is going. Right, so here's the design. Let's bring it here. Right, so that's left with the dates and it has left with the time and the venue. Right, so I created a shape for it. So let's create this shape. Right, I have done a tutorial on how to get custom shapes. So this shape here is a custom shape. You can watch the tutorial on the full tutorial on how to get custom shapes on this channel. I'll leave the description under the description, so check it out. Alright guys, so let's increase the radius of this particular shape that we are going to custom. Increase the radius. After that, let the radius be 100. After that, you tap on the check mark. Let's copy the shape and edit it. So once you edit it, you get rid of the radius, then you move it somewhere here. So you tap on the check mark. Right after that, you just come here and you tap here to merge the two shapes together. You merge them together to create one shape. So it has become one shape. I have a tutorial on it, so check under the description. I'll leave the link there so that you guys can learn on how to custom shapes. So let's choose a color for it. Let's use a gradient color. I have to do this. Okay, let's custom the gradient color. Alright, here's the gradient color. Let's tap. Alright, so I'm picking the color from this design so that it will not stress me. Right. Alright, so I have gotten the colors here. Right, so I'll position it here and I'll write the time. (7:30 p.m.) GMT, right? So Alright, so we have the time here. Right, so let's position it well here. Let's position it well here. Right, after that, let's copy the shape. Let's copy the shape again. Let's copy the shape, bring it here. Let's increase the size and rotate it like to here. Rotate it here and give it a stroke. Come to stroke. For a stroke, give it a stroke of white. Okay, like this, and then position it here. Okay, so guys, we are almost done. Alright, so you take your time here. Now let's write the venom. Let's write the venom. Alright, let's come to font. Change the font to Montserrat Medium. Then you come to size, position it here. Right after that, let's write the church. The location is the church. So let's write the church name. So the church name is Light. Right guys, so that's the design. We have done with it, almost done. Right, so let's see if we haven't done anything. So that's it guys, that's it. That's how I did it. It has appeared very beautiful, so you can follow suit and design something amazing for yourself. Guys, that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, just subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification, like, comment and share. See you guys.